Scafflogic introduces you to a world of logic. Hello and welcome to this training video. In this video, I would like to show you how to set up scaffold properties using a +8 universal scaffold. If you have a different scaffold brand, you may notice that I have other measurements and components. In our left menu under the Scaffold System tab, we have a button called Properties. When I click on Properties, I will get a dialog up. This dialog works as a template for your project in Scaffold System. This means that all of the predefined functions displayed can be used for future scaffolds and future projects. So, remember what you're doing, and you can always change the settings back to what they were afterwards. Let's see what we have here. In our system, we can select the type of scaffold or classification, and for vertical scaffolds, we have the option to select between fully boarded and top lifted. Fully boarded is when you have deck levels every 2 meters, and top lifted is when you only have one deck at the top. If you choose top lifted, you will, of course, have a ledger and transom for each 2-meter section. The +8 scaffolds have a different feature, which allows you to select between verticals or frames. Bear in mind that not all scaffolds can do this. I can go down and select the type of decking I want, and in this case I will select Steel Deck. With Steel Deck, I can select my scaffold width from my database, which displays the kinds of decks and horizontals I actually have available. I will leave it at the standard size, 70 centimeters. I can also choose the console I want, for inside and for outside. As you can see, for the inside console, there are a lot of sizes to choose from because the +8 has special consoles that are very small and can be used for special deck type combinations. In deck direction, I can choose between lengthwise and crosswise. Bear in mind that when you change to crosswise, it will change the number of decks and which types of decks you can use. Every time you change a component or select a load class, it can interfere with other features of the system. With sheeting, you can decide if you want plastic sheeting or cladding. You can also decide to choose standard netting. If you decide to use sole plates, also called pressure planks, as a default underneath your base jack, you have the possibility to select between 2 standard sizes. Top protection is the top level, where you have the option to add plywood as sheeting. You can also put climate shielding on the system. You can select that if you want horizontal veneering lying at the top deck to close off against the wall and scaffold. You can say that you only want the scaffold built as a naked skeleton without any decks. You can also select if you want a support tower or you want to define a roof job. In the more advanced options area, you can make selections if you have different kinds of wall ties. You can also define the kind of guardrail you want. I am choosing the double guardrail because then I can save all the diagonals for this system. If you select a toe board scaffold, you can choose between wood or aluminum. And here we have all the vertical heights. Let's say just for fun that you don't want to use 4 meters in this project. You can simply disable this option and the system will no longer use that setting. Standard types are for different types of verticals where you have various distances between your cup or rosette. The normal cup distance is 50 centimeters as default. In Access Deck Group, you can define which type of access deck the system uses, ladder or without ladder. Top vertical is not selected for this scaffold, because the system will automatically use the normal vertical setting. If you have a scaffold that allows you to force the system to use special verticals, you can use it here. The same goes for the ledger and the transom. We can override the system and say that we want enforced ledgers in our scaffold, and the system will automatically accept them no matter which kinds of loading classes have been selected. The final thing you can do here is go in and select the base sizes that you won't be using. For instance, let's say 350 and 125 centimeters. And after checking these settings, they will not be used in future solutions.